Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic for iPhone users: how to add the Gboard keyboard to your iPhone. A lot of people prefer Gboard over the default iOS keyboard for its smooth typing, built-in Google search, GIF integration, and customizability. So if you're ready to ditch the standard keyboard and give Gboard a try, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to download, install, and set up Gboard on your iPhone. It's really easy, I promise. We'll cover everything from downloading the app to granting it the necessary permissions, so you can start typing away with all those awesome Gboard features. Before we jump in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tips and tricks for maximizing your tech. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Okay, let's get started. Screen recording begins. Step 1. Download Gboard from the App Store. First things first, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type in Gboard. You should see the app pop up with the Google logo. Tap Get to download and install the app. It's free, so no need to worry about any hidden charges. Wait a few seconds while the app downloads. Point out the Gboard icon in the App Store listing. Step 2. Enable Gboard in Settings. Once Gboard is downloaded, don't open the app directly. Instead, go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down until you find General, and tap on it. Next, look for Keyboard, and tap on that. Now, tap on Keyboards at the top of the screen. You'll see a list of your currently installed keyboards. Tap on Add New Keyboard. Scroll down again to the third-party keyboards section, and you should see Gboard. Tap on Gboard. Pause briefly for emphasis. Step 3. Grant full access. Optional but recommended. Now, tap on Gboard again in the list of keyboards. You'll see a toggle switch for Allow Full Access. Explain why full access is needed, balancing privacy concerns with functionality. Now this is important. Granting full access lets Gboard access things like your contacts and learn from your typing habits to provide more accurate suggestions and predictions. It also enables features like GIF search and voice typing. Google states they don't store any of your personal data. However, if you're concerned about privacy, you can skip this step. Just be aware that some Gboard features won't work. For the best experience, I recommend enabling full access. Toggle the Allow Full Access switch on. A pop-up will appear. Read it carefully and tap Allow. Step 4. Select Gboard while typing. Now you're all set. To actually use Gboard, open any app where you can type, like Messages, Notes, or even Safari. When the keyboard appears, tap and hold on the globe icon in the bottom left corner of the keyboard. A list of available keyboards will pop up. Select Gboard from the list. Demonstrate switching between keyboards using the globe icon. That's it. You should now be typing with Gboard on your iPhone. Screen recording ends. So there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to add Gboard to your iPhone. Now you can enjoy all the features of Gboard, like GIF search, Google search, and custom themes, right on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more awesome tech tips and tricks. What are your favorite Gboard features? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.